I'm Paul Chatwin from the Shopfront Group. The Shopfront Group was started in 2010 by Neil Byrne and Warren Heathcote. We manufacture aluminium shop fronts, fully glazed shop fronts, roller shutters, specialist glazing such as glass balustrades and that sort of thing. And we also have a planned maintenance division where we can service all the doors and shutters to comply with health and safety. Well, we got involved with BigChange. We knew we had to make a change to the way the workforce operated. We've had a number of vans, some 12 vans on the road and 20 mobile staff and 53 staff in total, which we needed some sort of control over. And the way it worked previously was the guys would go out on the road with just paper-based instructions, but they might be on the road for days. You know, some of the projects we do could last 3-4 days, even a week. And it was a week before we were getting any information back. Obviously, that's not a situation that we could really sustain for very long. So we were looking for a system that allowed us to get immediate feedback of the job, be able to track where the guys were, and provide the customer with a better experience of when the jobs were complete, how they were being progressed. And that's how we got involved with BigChange. We looked at numerous different systems, but BigChange was the one that we decided that could give us everything that we needed. Well, we looked at various systems, but BigChange, from a back office point of view, was one system that let us view everything on one dashboard. Previous systems we had to log in to the tracking, for example, and then log back out of that and into a different system. BigChange showed us one big dashboard where we could get to everything. So from a back office point of view, that was very easy to use. From the guys being out on the road, it meant that we could send jobs out to them straight away. We could get feedback immediately when the job was started, when they were en route, feedback straight away from when the job was completed. And that allowed us to keep our customers informed and more up to date with what was going on. Of course, as soon as the job was finished, we were able to receive a job card straight back, which we could then fire out to our customer in real time. And that created great buzz amongst the customers, because instead of waiting a week or a fortnight for a feedback on how a job might be going on a remote site, they got feedback straight away. So that worked really well for both us and for the customers. Well, as part of the BigChange package, it comes with great customer services standard, and so we found out. Initially, when we signed up for BigChange, it included training with both the back end office staff and also the guys who are out on the road using the tablets. That was a great benefit. It saved us having to explain everything to the staff and wondering how to work it ourselves. The BigChange guys just came down, sorted it all out for us. Everybody was up and running in no time at all. We would recommend BigChange. It's a big system, and it can do a lot of things, and probably a lot of things that people don't realise it can do. And it takes a little bit of getting into, but the support we get from the people at BigChange make it a very easy process to understand. We have looked at other systems. We did look at other systems, but BigChange is really the only system we find that will do it all for us, and we can grow with the system, and the system can grow with us, and that's what we like about it. And yes, I would recommend it to other companies, and indeed I have. So no, we're very pleased with it.